Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful Friday here. Today is actually, by my count, it is, October 17th, already over halfway through the month of October. It doesn't seem like it, but we are already over that halfway point, and it is officially fall, and we do have the possibility of strong to severe storms. And I'm going to say this right now. This is information from the Storm Prediction Center, the National Weather Service in Paducah, and already getting some people hopping on here. So live chat's open, by the way, on Facebook as well. So happy to have you guys here. So let's go ahead and break it all down. So let's go ahead and start off with the Storm Prediction Center, and this is what they have here. So this is just a categorical thing. So you have your marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow. Again, this is for tomorrow, and you also have your slight risk to the south. So we're talking southern Illinois, just the southwestern corner of Indiana, southern Missouri, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi, northern Louisiana, northeastern Texas, eastern Oklahoma, and pretty much the whole state of Arkansas. And so that is the slight and marginal risk for severe weather. Now, I want to change this here a little bit to show you so far at this time what the greatest potential for tornado, wind, and hail is. Let's go over to the tornado. So you're looking, if you go down further south, again, this is tornado. So that would be where the probability of a tornado within 25 miles of a point. We do not have a 10% or greater probability. The highest we have so far is 5. That's for deep southern Illinois, Arkansas, Mississippi, western Kentucky, southern Missouri, northern Louisiana, while we're underneath a 2%. Let's turn it over to wind. Okay, so if we're looking here, southern Illinois underneath a 15% chance of wind as the threat, along with western Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, whole state of Arkansas, Missouri, eastern Oklahoma, eastern Texas. Now we'd like to mention about the wind as well, about the same as tornado. Now there is 15%, and then the hail mainly to our west, pretty much in Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. So if you look at it here from a vantage point, it looks like wind is the greater threat. So I'm going to pull up here what Paducah had sent out this morning, and this is what they have. This is what they posted this morning. So let's go ahead here, and we'll go over this. So the potential hazards: large hail size, 1 inch to 1.5 inches, damaging wind gust, 60 to 70 miles per hour. I do see Aiden Eckleberry's watching on here. Hi, Aiden. Good to hear from you. Also, we do have a tornado risk, which is low. Severe storm coverage is scattered, and the forecast confidence is medium at this point. So if you look at severe storms are possible Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night, a few brief tornadoes, damaging wind gust, and possibly large hail are all possible. One of the things that I saw this today, it just came in. So at the college, we have baseball and softball teams. They're playing games in the fall, but all the games they're playing in the fall are scrimmages. I repeat, they are scrimmages that do not count toward the regular season, which will be in the spring. They have moved the game times up for that. So we got, softball is playing, I believe, at 10, baseball at 11. Both games here at home tomorrow. Because, for example, softball's be at 1, but they moved it up a few hours just because of the threat of this weather in the afternoon. So as we take a look here at the estimated severe weather timing for Saturday, as I'll pull that up here for you, this is what's showing here. And let me go ahead and do something real quick here while I'm at it. I'll put this up here for you. I apologize, guys, and I'll get my big head out of the way here. So give me a moment here, and I'll get my big head out of the way. And that way you guys can ignore my big head for now. But this is the estimated severe weather timing. Again, this was released this morning. There's been no new updates since then, but it does paint a picture into, the timing of these storms. So Again, you can find this on Paducah's site. So storms will slowly move from the northwest to southeast Saturday afternoon and evening. The greater severe potential 1 to 7. So if you look at it, Wayne County, you're in that 1 to 7 range. Mount Vernon, Illinois, Edwards, Wabash counties. And the greatest severe potential 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. Again, scattered storms will develop Saturday afternoon across southeast Missouri, southern Illinois. These storms will grow into a complex of storms that will move southeastward into southwest Indiana, western Kentucky. Storms will linger into early Sunday morning in the southern Kentucky Peninsula. But again, scattered storms will develop, and then they will grow into a complex of storms. As we take a look here at the rainfall totals, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches projected. A little bit heavier amounts toward northwest and west. And for outdoor safety, again, since there may be some people outdoors here tomorrow, again, just a lightning safety overview. When thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning safety for the outdoors as well here. But again, here for tomorrow's a day where we do have a chance of that happening. Again, live chat's open. You guys have any questions for me? And let's go ahead here. And I want to go ahead and show you guys that one more time about the severe weather outlook. Kind of was able to zoom in a little bit more on that. So as you can see right here, the slight risk barely to our south. Now, we have seen in the past where, the Storm Prediction Center in Paducah, what they will do is they could change this a little bit. They could extend this further north. They may, move it down further south. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And again, this was posted at 3:51 a.m. this morning. So I'll be interested to see, what the update is for tomorrow. But keep this in mind that it is still fluid. It can still be changed. It can be moved around a little bit. So it's something there to make note of here as we go on. I also want to talk about the temperatures here just to wrap it up. The temperatures, this is for the Fairfield area. And as you can see right here, as you look here for Saturday, and it may be cut off a little bit here. Oops. So for Saturday, looking at again, chance of showers and storms between 1 and 3, then showers likely, possibly a storm after 3. Increasing clouds, high of 82. Chance of rain and storms 60%. Then tonight, 100% chance of rain. Sunday, high of 63, breezy tomorrow. But look at Sunday night, a low of 38 for Sunday night. Low of 38 Sunday night right there. This is where the chill. We have not seen low temperatures get into the 30s yet this fall. But by golly, Sunday night, low of 38. And then Monday night, low of 48. Tuesday night, we go back down to 38 for the low. Wednesday night, low of 41. Temperatures will be about the 60s and 70s, which will be about this time of year. So the chill is coming. It is going to be cold out. Low of 38 for Sunday night and to Tuesday night. So it is going to be cold. So make sure you have some warmth there. Anything to kind of help keep you warm. Because I tell you what, we're officially winter. It's halfway through October. This is a sign. This is a sign that, colder temperatures, they're on the way. So before I go, I want to go ahead and give you a little bit more information about the severe weather potential for tomorrow before wrapping this up. But this is from the Storm Prediction Center. I forgot to read this at the beginning, so my apologies for that. Let me go ahead and bring this back up here, and I'll read this here for you. Scattered severe storms are possible Saturday across parts of the Arklatex, Ozarks, and the mid to lower Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys. Main threats are damaging winds, a few tornadoes, and hail. A weather system will move quickly across Texas and Oklahoma on Saturday, joining a stronger one over the Central Plains by Saturday night. These will merge as they move east across the Mississippi River, bringing stronger upper-level winds into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys by early Sunday. At the surface, a cold front will stretch from the upper Mississippi Valley into northern Oklahoma during the afternoon. Warm, humid air with dew points in the mid to upper 60s will cover eastern Texas, Oklahoma, and parts of Kansas and Missouri. By Saturday evening, the front will push east from western Ohio to northern Mississippi and Louisiana, reaching southeast Texas overnight. With increasing lift, instability, and strong wind shear, scattered strong to severe storms are expected from midday Saturday through the night. And overnight, as the system strengthens, low-level winds near 5,000 feet, which would be 850 millibars, will increase to over 50 knots, about 58 miles per hour. This could trigger a line of storms producing damaging winds or isolated nighttime tornadoes across southeast Missouri, Indiana, northern Kentucky, possibly far western Ohio before sunrise Sunday. So again, for tomorrow night, we could see a line of severe storms. So I'll be keeping an eye on this here for you guys. And like I said, stay weather aware as always. And keep an eye on the skies for tomorrow. Keep an eye on the radars. Keep it on my Facebook page for updates and information. Until then, also keep it on my YouTube as well. My Derek Dunn 89. So long, have a wonderful, pleasant good night. This is Derek Dunn, signing off.